Ready to turn your solo listening sessions into a collaborative music party with Apple Music? First, make sure you have an active Apple Music subscription and that you're signed in. You can't collaborate without it. Now, tap the Library tab at the bottom of your screen. This is where all your saved music and playlists live. Next, find the playlist you want to share or create a new one by tapping New Playlist. Let's say we want to collaborate on our aptly named Epic Road Trip playlist. Tap on the playlist's name to open it. See those three dots in the upper right corner. Tap them to open the More menu. Now, select Share Playlist. This will bring up your device's sharing options. You can share via messages, mail, or any other app that supports sharing links. Choose your preferred method and send the invitation to your friends. If you are the owner, you have to make sure that the Collaborate option is switched on with a green color. Also, turn on Approve Collaborators in order to have full control over who's in it. Once your friends receive the invitation, they'll tap the link to join the collaborative playlist. They'll need an Apple Music subscription too. Now, everyone can add, remove, and rearrange songs, building the ultimate shared playlist. Enjoy the collaborative musical experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Apple Music tips.